everyone, let me introduce you to the Martelli Casserole Cozy Templates. We actually have two different sizes. We have the 9x13, which is based off a 9x13 Pyrex dish, and we also have the 8x8 Casserole Cozy, and these are absolutely fun to make. If you're one of these people that loves to make casseroles and you take them to family events or to church functions, these are the perfect little carrier for you to be able to take them because they're going to hold everything, protect it. You've got the big handles on the side, so protect your hands, and you can even put Insulbrite in so that would have them a little bit, keeping everything nice and warm or cold or however you need it for it to be. But this one is the casserole one. This is the 9x13, and it has a line on here where you place this on the fold. So when you set this on your fabric and it place it on the fold like I have right here, it's got that amazing browning material on the back so that when you set it down, it's gripping it and holding it so that you'll be able to use this with your rotary cutter. Has the cut lines in here so that your rotary cutter will even be able to get into these areas and you'll be able to use the rotary cutter to cut out the whole thing. Fantastic, fantastic tool. Again, this is the 9x13, and we also have the 8x8, just a little bit smaller, but it's shaped exactly the same. I'm going to show you some examples of it. Again, it comes with the full written instructions, and you can color coordinate these to your heart's desire. This one is the 9x13. Look how beautiful this is. Nice and springy. I've seen them done in holiday fabrics if you want to just keep it for just if you do holiday baking. But this is the 9x13. Nice big handles on the side, easy for you to carry. And here is our 8x8. Look how beautiful that is. It goes together so quickly. Have it in another colorway here. Here it is in some grays and some florals. This again is the 8x8. And here is our 9x13. Absolutely fun. I think you're going to really like these. They make great gifts. Of course, if you're making casseroles, take them and give them away also with your dish. Be sure to make some casseroles and take them to your friends, and maybe they might like to have the casserole cozy too. So be sure to pick up yours today.